Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this animation text style. So first of all, open your Canva account. Then you just have to create a design, or you can just straight to go to the video option, click on video. After opening the video option, go to your uploads, choose video, and you can upload any video here, but I have already uploaded a video here. So I'm just gonna drag and drop the video in my timeline. Also, this video is made by AI tool called Canva here, as you can see. So if you want to create also magical videos like this, you can watch the video of my latest video of the Canva AI. The video will be in the description box, or you can just click on the right corner to watch this video. But first, I'm going to show you how to create this animation title. So you just have to split the video first. So I'm going to split my video here. Click here, then press S. Then click here, and then also press S here. You can choose anywhere you want to split. And now I'm going to choose the middle of this here and go to the text. Choose any text that you like, but for right now I'm going to use this. Let's ungroup this. Let's put it in the middle here. Then click on the text. Then click on the text. Duplicate, then click on the duplicate text, go to color, choose the color, change whatever color you want to change it, and again choose it, duplicate, again change the color, choose the text, duplicate, change the color, and you can make many other color here, but I'm going to use this 4 here. Then choose all the text, click on position, middle and center. Then choose animate. Then go down and choose this wipe option. As you can see, the color is changing. Click on wipe. You can also change the speed here. I want this to be slow. Also, you can change the direction from here. So that's it, guys. This is how you can change the color, text, animation style in the Canva here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.